Welcome to Learn English Educational Channel Basic versus Advanced English. I fell asleep. I nodded off. I am very tired. I'm tied up. We need books. We require books. He's very happy. He's over the moon. I made a mistake. I screwed up. Leave me alone. Yet lost. Calm down. Put yourself together. See you soon. Catch you soon. I am going to park. I am off to park. Start again. Start over. Be careful. Watch out. You first. After you do it alone. Do it by yourself. Don't touch. Hands off. Move a bit. Scoot over. I am very tired. I am worn outy.